Hello guys, today I'm excited to show how you can use ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot created by OpenAI. It uses advanced natural language processing to analyze and respond to your inputs in a conversational way. This isn't like interacting with a typical chatbot, but ChatGPT makes you feel like you're chatting with a real person, offering detailed responses. Think of it as your personal brainstorming partner. I personally see ChatGPT as a super intelligent assistant that's available at all hours, and getting started is incredibly simple. Just visit chat.openai.com, and if you don't already have an account, sign up by using your email, Google, or Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll encounter the ChatGPT interface, which is clean and minimalistic, making it easy to navigate. For those looking for faster response times and access to GPT-4, you can consider upgrading to ChatGPT Plus. So the text box under What Can I Help With is where you'll enter your prompts. After hitting Enter, you'll receive your response. If you have questions or need help, there's Help feature in the bottom right corner of the interface. To get the best results, it's important to write clear and specific prompts. For instance, instead of asking, "Summarize this text," ask instead, "Provide a brief summary of this article, highlight the most important details, and omit any unnecessary background information." The more specific you are, the better the response you'll get. If you're not satisfied with the answer, you can ask ChatGPT to refine or add more details. Here are some ways you can use ChatGPT in your everyday life. Content creation. Ask it to generate blog posts, social media captions, or even scripts. Productivity. Use it for drafting emails, making to-do lists, or planning your schedule. Mention, "Can you help me create a schedule for my day? I need to fit in work, exercise, meals, and some relaxation time." Learning. ChatGPT can break down complex topics into simple terms and help you learn new skills. In instance, "Can you help me learn photography?" Break it down into beginner steps. Coding. Developers love ChatGPT for writing and debugging code. For example, write, "I'd like to learn step-by-step coding with Java. Suggest beginner-friendly projects or exercises I can try to practice." Be conversational. Treat your interaction like a chat with a friend or assistant. Follow-up questions. If the initial response isn't exactly what you want, ask for modifications or more details. Experiment with tone. You can ask ChatGPT to adjust the tone or style, whether formal, casual, professional, or playful. Save time with templates. Create reusable prompts for tasks you do often, like reports, summaries, or emails. One of the limitations you have to keep in mind is the fact that ChatGPT isn't always 100% accurate. So be sure to double-check any information before using it publicly. The other one is it doesn't have access to live data, so it won't provide the latest updates or news. In general, the clearer you are, the better the response will be. Now that you know the basics of using ChatGPT, it's time to put it into practice. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.